Do you also know how to make Happy New Year cards? First, fold a paper, then draw lines. Then start coloring. Now coloring is done. Now cut the paper. Second step. Make a border line. Now follow these steps. Now write a best wishes caption. Now make a pattern design. Now follow these steps. Then make a heart shape. Now follow these steps. Now fill the color. Now follow these steps. Now write a Happy New Year. Now final step is paste the flower on it. And finally our Happy New Year card are ready. Thanks for watching.